How to access Google Sites on phone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So today I'm going to show you how to access Google Sites on your phone, whether you're using an Android or an iPhone. This is a handy trick for making simple edits on the go. Let's dive right in. First, open up your preferred web browser. I'm going to use Google Chrome, but you can even use Safari or any other web browser. Now go ahead and search for Google Sites. So just hit go and then just tap on the first link. Now you will see a notification telling you to create or edit a site on your desktop, but don't worry, we can still do this on your phone. So what you need to do is look for the three dots on the bottom right corner and then scroll down and then tap on request desktop site. So once you tap on it, you can see that Google Sites will now open in desktop version. From here, you can zoom in and start creating a blank site or edit the existing one. Just tap on it and then you can do it. However, it will be a little difficult to edit on your phone. Just keep that in mind. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.